What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the 23158. This is going to be our 10 by 2 1/4 3,500 pound brake assembly. See right here, this is the box to get it in. We'll pull our stuff out of here. We have our small parts, and then we have our True Ride backing plates here. And we can see these are True Ride inspected. They do have the magnets already on them. They have our adjusters already in. These do have to be adjusted every once in a while. We can see right here that we have the 4-bolt pattern, and center to center is going to be 2 7/8. Diagonally is going to be 4 inches. This does fit most standard axles like Dexter, Lippert, Hayes. We do have our wires here. One's going to be a hot and one's going to be a ground. And then we have our sticker down here that's going to tell us left hand, right hand. If that sticker ever falls off, we do have a way to tell. We do have our primary and our secondary brake pad. The primary is going to be a little smaller, and it will always face the truck. So then we're going to look at our hardware here. We have our nuts and washers. So we're just going to stick these studs through the plate on the axle, put the washer on, put the nut on behind it. And that's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty simple stuff. That's the 23158.